Hello, I am Luc Bourlier, developer at TypeSafe and committer on the Scala IDE project. This is the second part of the new and noteworthy in Scala IDE 3.0 video series. The first video is about the improvements made to the existing features. The last video covers the Scala debugger. This video describes the new features. A set of features has been added to Scala IDE to show additional information in the code. The first one is Semantic Highlighting. It highlights each symbol of the code according to how they are defined. Next to Semantic Highlighting is Implicit Highlighting. It highlights the use of implicit in the code. It also allows to jump to the definition of the implicit and to make the code explicit. This is a piece of code to showcase highlighting, with Scala IDE configured with every highlighting option enabled. Of Semantic Highlighting, the part I prefer is the highlighting in red of vars. It helps me remember that I am working with mutable variables. The strike through for deprecated methods is also really useful. Like all Semantic Highlighting, it is visible at the call site and at the declaration. This is the highlighting of the usage of an implicit parameter. The hover on the marker shows the actual definition. And this is the highlighting of an implicit conversion. Hyperlinking can be used to open the declaration of the implicit. And the quick fix allows to expand the implicit conversion into an explicit call. Both implicit highlighting and semantic highlighting are fully configurable from the preferences. If it is still not enough information, it is also now possible to show the return type of a selected expression. It is easier to show than explain. I have here a fairly ugly expression, and the inferred type is list of string. But I am not quite sure exactly what are the intermediate types. The hover gives me some information, but it is still not complete. I can select part of an expression and ask Scala IDE for its actual type. Then I can repeat it on different parts of the code to get a better understanding of it. Last are new source generators. One to generate hashcode and equals, the other one to generate methods needed by product and traits. Here I have a simple class. I can open the hashcode and equals source generator, select the parameters I want to use, and validate. A good implementation of the needed methods is added to the class. The same way, using the product and source generator, Scala IDE adds methods required to make the class a subclass of product2. This was a quick overview of the new features. If you want more information, check the documentation. If you have any feedback, please use the mailing list or the ticketing system.